Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle Ferguson and I'm the crochet pattern designer of Two Brothers Blankets. Today I'm going to teach you how to crochet the bean stitch. The bean stitch is this little textured stitch you see throughout this hat right here. It's really quite simple to make and it creates a nice unique texture for things like washcloths, hats, sweaters, or anything else you might want to make with it. For this tutorial, I am using a ball of We Crochet Mighty Stitch worsted yarn, and I have an H5mm crochet hook. This is a Furl Streamline wood hook. I'll link all of this in the description. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, for this tutorial, I am going to chain an odd number of chains plus 1 to start. So I'm going to go ahead and do 22 chains. All right, I have done 22 chains. I'm going to work in the back bump of my chain. So I'm going to turn my chains around and work in these little bumps. So I'm going to start off by doing 1 single crochet in the second chain from my hook and in each chain across. So I've got my chain that's connected to my hook right here. I'm going to work into that next back bump. That's my second chain from the hook. So I'm going to go ahead and do 1 single crochet in the second chain from hook and in each chain across. Okay, we're ready to start our next row, which will include the bean stitch. I'm going to chain 1 and turn my work. All right, I'm going to single crochet in the first stitch. I'm going to insert my hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. I'm going to yarn over again, insert my hook into the next stitch again, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 loops on my hook, yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch again, yarn over, pull up a loop, 6 loops on my hook, then I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 6. And now I have completed a bean stitch. Now I'm going to do a single crochet in the next stitch. Occasionally you will see a chain 1 after the bean stitch, but for this pattern, I did not do a chain 1. So I'm going to show it to you how I did it. So I did a single crochet into that next stitch. Now this next one, I'm going to do a bean stitch again. So I'm going to insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on my hook, yarn over, insert my hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 loops on my hook, yarn over again, insert hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. Then I'm going to yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. And occasionally, it likes to be difficult. All right, now I'm going to single crochet in the next and work a bean stitch in the next. Insert my hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on the hook, yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 loops on my hook, yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch again, yarn over, pull up a loop, 6 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 6. And I'm going to continue that all the way to the end of my row. Because I have an odd number of stitches, I will end with a single crochet stitch. So it will start and end with a single crochet stitch. So I'm going to go ahead and finish out this row and I'll meet you at the end. All right, I've completed my first row of bean stitches. I'm alternating a single crochet and a bean stitch, single crochet, bean stitch for my repeat. Since I have an odd number of stitches, I ended on a single crochet stitch. So I have my single crochet to start and end. Now for the next row, we're going to do just a row of single crochet again. So I'm going to chain 1 and turn. And as you can see with these bean stitches, this side is a lot more bulky and pronounced than the other side. And that's one thing that I absolutely love about this stitch is it's kind of reversible. It really is reversible. You could use this side, which is a little more subtle, and this side, which is a little more pronounced, and it almost looks like a puff stitch, or it's just more noticeable on the other side. So really the wrong side is the more noticeable side of your stitch. So however you want to do it, my Slater beanie that I showed you earlier is reversible, and it can be worn either way and looks great either way. So I'm going to single crochet in each stitch across. So one here, and as you can see, the bean stitch, it still has your 2 loops up top. Whoops, sorry. It still has your 2 loops up top, so you're just working into each stitch like you would any other stitch. So just one single crochet in each stitch across. All right, I have completed my row of single crochet, my row 3. And now we're going to just do a repeat of rows 2 and 3 for the rest of our pattern, for as long as you prefer to do it. So I'm going to chain 1, turn, single crochet in the first, bean stitch in the next. So insert hook into my stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 2 loops on my hook, yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 4 loops on my hook, yarn over, insert hook into the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, 6 loops on my hook, yarn over, pull through all 6 loops. And then a single crochet in the next, and then a bean stitch in the next. And you'll repeat that all the way across, ending with a single crochet in the last stitch. All right, I've completed a repeat of row 2 for my row 4, and now I'm going to repeat row 3, which is single crochet all the way across. So chain 1, turn, 1 single crochet in the first stitch and in each stitch across. All right, so there you have it. That is how you do the bean stitch and how the stitch pattern works with your single crochet rows every other row. I just really like this effect with this the row of single crochet in between. It's reversible. You can use either side as your right side. You can work this in the round in the exact same way that you do in the rows. You would just be joining and turning each round. And as far as decreases go, the best way to do it is, and how I do it, is to decrease in those single crochet rows. So do a single crochet decrease in the row around that you're doing just single crochet, and then work your bean stitch row as you would. And I find that's the easiest way to do a decrease for this stitch. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I hope you'll like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.